Now it's a small exercise for you, what you have learned in the previous video. You have to do one thing, that you have to count the number of values in column D. I'm going to explain you that, but I would really prefer that you first pause this video and open this exercise file from the exercise file folder and complete the task. If you are unable to do that, just look up the rest of this video. I'll show you the solution. Now, if you have already tried it, let's see how we can do it. As I told you, we'll start a formula with equal to, and now if I need to count the numbers of that, I'm going to use a formula which is count. Now if I press C, I can have the list of all the formula which are starting with C, but the list is big, so I'm going to write the rest of the name of the formula, which is count, and then the formula has been highlighted in the list. I'll press tab. It will open up the formula. Then I can see the syntax, which is value 1, value 2, and so on. And this value 1 is bold. It means that we are standing on this value, this argument, and value 2 is in square bracket. It means it's an optional argument. As I told you in previous video that certainly we do not require value 2, because I can select a range in this case like this, and then I'll close down the bracket and then I'll press enter. You can see that this number is coming. Although it's coming as $10 because this formatting of the cell is in currency format. So let me come over here and change it to a number. Now I can see it is showing me the count. And let me remove the decimal places. Here you can actually increase the decimal places, and through this option you can decrease this. So when I click it once, it will remove one decimal place, and if I click it again, it will remove the second one. Thank you.